Welcome back to our Function Store tutorial video series. In this video, we're covering the use of secrets. So first, let's go ahead and log in. Now, secrets store API keys, passwords, certificates, and other sensitive data. With secrets, you can manage and use such data within a project in a very simple, fast, and secure way. Before we get started, to use secrets, you're going to need to enable the Secret Manager API in your project, which we've covered in previous steps. But once that Secret Manager API is enabled, you could start adding secrets to your projects. It's also worth mentioning that we're using Google Cloud Secret Manager, meaning we don't store this data on our end, making it safer to use for your application. And in this tutorial, we'll be covering how to create a secret, how to use a secret, changing a secret's value, and of course, how to deactivate a secret. So first, let's get started with creating a secret. Once we identify the project we want to work on, we're going to go and navigate down to the Secrets tab. As you can see, we've already created some secrets in the past, and the encryption is Google managed. But if you wanted to create a new secret, all you have to do is hit Create Secret. And for this one, we'll just call it Test API Key. And in this example, we're going to use an API key generator. Once we've generated the API key, we'll go back and add it as our secret value and hit Create. And just like that, we've created a secret that can be used in Function Store. As our next section, we're going to cover how to use a secret. And in this example, we're going to head over to the marketplace. And what we're going to do is set up a welcome email. Once we find this function, we'll go ahead and say install latest version. We'll select the project we want to install the function on. And you'll notice down here for environment variables, they're going to be requesting a SendGrid API key, a SendGrid sender email, as well as a SendGrid template ID. You'll notice that in the previous part of this video, we already had some of these keys already created for us. And so by just clicking on this icon here and selecting the secret we want to use, we can go ahead and add it just like that. And for the email, we'll go ahead and make it hello@functions.store. And just like that, you've successfully used a secret you've implemented either on Google Secret Manager side or right within Function Store. And this is now being built with those environment variables in mind. Next, we're going to show you how to change a secret. We'll go back to our test API key, and we'll go ahead and click Add New Version. Now for this new version, it's going to ask us to import it directly. And what we'll do is we'll go back to our generator, generate a new key, copy it, paste it, and click Add. And just like that, we're now adding a new version for this Google secret. And as you can see here, you can also view the secret value if you need to confirm the change. For the final step of this video, we're going to show you how to deactivate or delete a secret. You'll go ahead and click this button over here, and you'll see your options of either disabling all versions or deleting the secret. First, we'll go ahead and disable all versions. You'll be prompted with this message suggesting that if you disable the versions of the test API key, which is the name of our secret here, you can always create a new version if you want the secret to continue to function in existing workloads. We'll go ahead and disable. And just like that, that secret is now disabled. Finally, we'll go ahead and delete a secret. And once you click Delete Secret, it will prompt you with this message mentioning that this action cannot be undone. So make sure if you want to delete a secret that you know it's permanent. And we'll go ahead and click Delete. And just like that, you've deleted your secret. If you need more help, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, you can always check out our documentation, which can be found on the bottom left corner of the application. And if you open up our documentation, you'll see you can scroll right down to secrets and learn more about the Secrets API Manager, how to create a secret, using secrets, changing the value, and deactivating a secret. Thanks.